Hello Kapinay, magluto tayo ng sinigang na isda. This is white fish. Hinugasan ko yan ng asin at saka itong green onion. Natutuhan ko ito sa Chinese cooking. They rub the green onions and leave it there for a while to remove the fishiness. Ang sahog natin yan ang ating sahog ng sinigang. And we have green onions from the garden at ito ay kangkong din galing from the garden dan sa likod. This is our last harvest for now. And lalagyan din natin ng green pepper from the garden also. Ayan. Labuyo ang tawag natin dyan, di ba? Okay, let's eat sinigang. Let's cook and sinigang Kapinay. This is white fish, whole white fish. Steak cut. Ayan, okay. Magluto na tayo. Nagpapakulo na tayo ng onion, ginger, and tomatoes. Ayan, okay. Let's cook sinigang Kapinay. Okay, pisain natin yung ating kamatis. Ayun. Kunting kamatis lang para malasahan natin yung sinigang mamaya. Yung asim, hindi yung sobrang lasa na kamatis. Yun. So now, since it's boiling, ilagay na natin yung ating isda. Ilagay na natin yung ating isda Kapinay. Ayun. White fish. Parang dalag din ang laman. Oops. Ayan o. Parang dalag din ang laman. Kaya lang ito, silvery. It's like a silver fish. Pag if you the scale. Tapan natin Kapinay. Lagyan ko ng kaffir leaves. I'm gonna put kaffir leaves to make for aromatics. It smells so good with the soup and the fish and the dish by itself. Ayun. Alright. Fish is not supposed to be overcooked. So now we will put our sinigang sa kamyas, and if it's not enough for sourness, we will put sinigang sa kalamansi. These are produced of the United States, product of USA. Okay, Kapinay, let's put our sinigang na sa kamyas. We have frozen ones, but I have the mix, so be it. Alright. Okay. Now we'll put our salt. Good. Hot pepper. Accent vitsin. I like a lot of ginger in my sinigang when I'm cooking fish Kapinay. It makes the soup aromatic. Aroma, very aromatic. Now we will put our vegetables. Ito Kapinay kangkong and kamoting konti. Yun, lagay natin sa gilid. We put it on the side so we could see our fish. So we will not durog-durog the isda. So, habang naluluto yung isda, para hindi ma-overcook, we should put our vegetables already. Yun. Alright. Turn it around. Tapan natin ng sandali lang. Okay, Kapinay, let's check. Let's see the saltiness and sourness. Let's taste it. Wow, maasim na. It's good. Ikot po talito salt. Okay. Ayan. Maraming nailagay but it's alright. This is just salt and calamansi mix. Oh no, kamyas sinigang. Kapinay. Our fish is already cooked. And now we will put our green onion, Kapinay. Unahin natin yung stems because it's harder to cook. Alright. Already, ang bango. Smells so good. Ooh. Green onions, Kapinay. Okay. All done. Yeah, it's cooked. Good. Turn off the heat. It's done. Easy cooking. Okay, Kapinay, sandok na tayo ng ating ulam. Good. Ano unahin natin, Kapinay? Green onions. Masarap na green onions. Our kangkong. O, nakuha na lahat. Our kangkong and kamote. And of course, our soup and the hot pepper. Sabaw na lang, ulam na eh. Pwede na sa, pwede na sa akin to. Uy, masarap siya. Okay? Alright, kunin natin yung isang laman. Ayan o, ang ganda oh. The flesh looks so good. It's white fish, sabi nga eh. Oh. Alright, parang dalag. It looks like mudfish or snakehead. Okay, Kapinay, let's eat. Sarap. Dagdagan ko ng soup. Kain na tayo. Masarap ang ulam natin. Okay, Kapinay. This is our sinigang. Yummy, yummy, yum. Sarap na yan. Oh, di ba? Alright. Enjoy your cooking, Kapinay. Let's eat. At may gutom na. Alright. Thank you for watching and thank you for the next cooking. Yay!